Hi there, I'm so excited to tell you today about my free card kit in the mail for January 2021. It features the Simply Succulents bundle, which is on page 39 of the new January to June Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. So let's go ahead and take a look at these products. This is the stamp set, Simply Succulents. It's an 8-piece stamp set, and it's a foam mount, which means it's got the red rubber and foam, and you attach it to one of your acrylic blocks. In addition to the stamp set, we've also got some dies, and I want to pull those out and show those to you as well because there are so many. What I love about this is not only do we have, for example, this pot that cuts, the die that cuts out the pot right there, or let's see, this die cuts out the flower. Like every single image has a die to cut it out, but then there are also these dies that are labels that fit perfectly around the greetings. They're stitched, they're just adorable dies. And this one here. So not only can you use them with these words that perfectly fit, but you can use them with lots of other greetings that you might already have as well. So the bundle, you save 10% when you order both the stamp set and the dies. And you're definitely going to want both to cut out the images and then to have them also the labels to use on these or any other greetings you have. So let's go ahead and show you the cards that I have for you this month. So this is the first one, and this is actually a die I haven't shown you yet. It is this large, full quarter sheet. It takes up the entire card front, and it's just that really delicate line. You can use adhesive sheets to attach this, or you can use our fine tip glue pen. I've also added a little bit of vellum and used this die right here to cut out the vellum. And then, of course, the greeting on that fun stitched label. So that's one of the cards this month. Here is another. I love this one. Added some texture on the background with that embossing folder. This is another one of the dies, just to add a little bit of texture and background there. And then what I love are the succulents here. I think you can see that shine. What I did was I stamped the images. I used, let me pull in here, lots of Stampin' blends. There's 4 colors here, just Jade, Mint Macaron, Highland Heather, and Smoky Slate. So all of those were used. And then once I had finished coloring, I went ahead and used our fine tip glue, which yes, it's an adhesive, but you can also just kind of create a shiny layer over the entire image. And that's what I did on those 2 succulents. And I really like the way that that turned out. My next card is this one here. You may have seen this before where you stamp the 3 more neutral layers. I changed it up a little bit and added this mint macaron instead of another layer of vanilla. All of this will be shown to you in a video. So if you're not sure how to color with the Stampin' blends, or you're not sure how to do this technique, no worries. For this month, I will have not only the written instructions with photos in a PDF that you'll receive, but you'll also get access to a video that will show this step by step, so there won't be any questions at all. And then this final card is the biggest image in the stamp set, that focal point, and I just love the way the blends look on this card. Very simple, just a little triangle in the background, some texture on there. So these are the 4 cards for January 2021. And you can get the supplies to make these 4 cards for free when you do a $75 order with me this month. I'll share a host code, but if you have an order that's $150 or more, don't use my host code because you will qualify for your own Stampin' Rewards. So place your $75 minimum order. You'll get the supplies to create these 4 cards in the mail from me. You'll get an email with a tutorial, and you'll also get access to a video to teach you all of these techniques. And for every 50 that you order, because it's celebration, you get to choose something out of our celebration brochure as well. When you order online, just be sure to take a look at your celebration options and add that to your order. Thanks so much for watching.